Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Silver Fertilizer and grow a garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got the Silver Fertilizer as my reward for growing the beanstalk sprout, and then I'm going to show you how we can use the Silver Fertilizer. So you can go to your garden and find a target plant, and for example I'm going to apply the Silver Fertilizer to my beanstalk. Okay, and now I have applied this fertilizer to my beanstalk, and as you can see that my beanstalk has turned into a silver plant, and it will increase the silver mutation of this beanstalk. Okay, that's so cool. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.